A domestic violence case, a family fighting for reunification, and one request that seemed simple until the judge started asking questions no one expected. What happens when the victim wants the no contact order changed, but the court isn't convinced it's time? Watch closely because this hearing takes an unexpected turn.
Okay, I'm sorry. Odyssey I'm trying to get it to pull up. Hello. And Brendan, is Andrew Dixon on the docket today?
He is not, Judge.
All right, if you could send that to him. Thank you, Robert.
But that was one of our office.
Okay, thank you. All right. Sir, it's my understanding that you're asking for a jury trial?
Yes.
All right, how long do y'all expect this trial to last?
3 days maybe.
I think that's it with what our
All right, Norma, I need a 3-day trial setting for jury, criminal trial division. Okay. And then after this, Scott, I'll take you next, okay? July 30th. July 30th?
30th.
Council, July 30th?
Judge, we can have my birthday party here.
Oh, that'll be
My birthday's on
awesome.
the 29th, I'll bring cupcake.
Okay, awesome. All right. No, July 1st is fine.
Oh, no, I'll bring cupcakes.
Norma, you don't want him here, but you set everything on my birthday. What is that saying, Robert? I'm gonna have to tell my mom. All right, thank you. Make sure you sign the clothing exchange for your attorney. Counsel, if there's an issue with the clothing exchange, let the court know.
We will, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, Crystal Marquez, if you could unmute for me, please.
Yes.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Crystal Marquez.
All right, defense, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Crystal, thank you for being here. I understand it's been a rough last 24 hours for you. You understand that you are the complaining witness in the cause number ending in 15638, where Mr. Marquez is the defendant, correct?
Yes.
Did you contact our office to amend the conditions of probation in that cause number?
Yes, I did.
And is it your position that you would like the no contact order to be amended to no harmful or injurious contact?
Yes.
Have you and Mr. Marquez been living separately for the duration of his probation thus far?
Yes.
And you have both maintained the no contact order.
Correct.
And there is a pending case on the civil side for you and Mr. Marquez to reunite the family. Is that correct?
Correct.
And so for those reasons, do you feel it would be more efficient and you'd make more progress reuniting your family if there is no harmful or injurious contact?
Yes.
I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
State.
Yes, Your Honor, just briefly. Ms. Marquez, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi, my name is Ashley and I'm the prosecutor on the case. Would you agree that you're the complainant in the 2017 assault bodily injury case with the same defendant?
Yes.
Okay, and in that case, he got deferred and received treatment. Isn't that correct?
Correct.
Okay, and then we're here again on another assault against you.
Correct.
And so can you understand the state's concern for your safety
I do.
and that of your family?
Yes.
No further questions, Your Honor. Just a brief follow-up.
Sure.
So are you aware of Mr. Marquez completing the fifth class, the battery intervention program class?
Yes.
And that was a condition of his probation that we are trying to amend right now, correct?
Yes. Yes.
To your knowledge, has he complied with the other conditions of his probation?
Yes, because it does also run with our CPS case that we have, that he has to do classes.
Okay. And you understand that the court has to consider both your safety and the community's safety, correct?
Yes.
But nonetheless, you are asking for the court to amend to no harmful or injurious contact with Charlie Marquez.
Yes.
I can no further questions, Your Honor.
Any objections to the court asking a few questions?
No, no.
All right. So I want to talk to you about the CPS case.
Yes.
And is there going to be any objection to hearsay? All right. So with regards to your CPS case, what specifically is the caseworker saying? And when I talk about what they're saying, I think you answered about reunification or their,
Yes.
okay. So what exactly are they saying in regards to reunification?
So the reunification, as long as the counseling has been done, has been completed, and he's gotten his certificates, I've completed all my services for the classes, parenting classes, everything like that. As long as everything is completed, that we're going towards a reunification.
All right. So reunification has not occurred.
No, because this is going to be our 7th caseworker already on our case. So they're just keep on pushing the case for the new caseworker to come in.
Well, do you know, has he completed everything? Has he completed the service plan?
From what the last caseworker told us is yes, he's completed all of his classes, all of his services, and everything.
All right. And who is your attorney, your CPS attorney?
Sharon,
Thorne?
Thorne. Yes.
All right. And who is the child's attorney?
Um, Sally Justice, I believe.
All right. And do you know who is your husband's CPS attorney?
I think it's Dale Hill.
And have you all addressed the issues through therapy, or at least you've addressed it through therapy, the issues regarding the facts surrounding this case?
Yes, I have addressed it with my counseling and with my therapist, and the past couple months it's been really hard.
All right. And how so?
Um, I lost my grandmother last month,
I'm sorry to hear that.
and oh, my kids couldn't be there with me. I didn't have my husband with me to keep me up.
All right.
I
And
just lost my sister-in-law on the 4th, and I don't have my kids with me, and I don't have my husband there with me to keep me strong.
so with regards to reunification, Child Protective Services hasn't completed reunification with you either. Is that correct?
Correct. They're still with my mother-in-law.
All right. And so Child Protective Services, have they even started overnight visits with you or any type of visitation? Or is it still supervised visitation?
It's still supervised visitation at my mother-in-law's, and it's an hour separately, but if me and Charlie were to be together, then it's 2 hours. But since we can't be together, we alternate weekends to visit our kids.
All right. Thank you. All right. This is what I'm going to tell parties. Number one, there is an issue here, and this is the issue. With their service plan, they haven't even got to the point where they are allowing unsupervised visitation with her or unsupervised visitation with him. Based on my experience, what ends up happening if the paternal grandparent has a child, usually, even though it's supposed to be supervised, they're just very generous with their child's visitation of his or her children. So I understand that may be happening, but CPS is not even doing, unsupervised visits with them yet. So they're not even close to reunification. So if someone, I will not make a ruling on this today. If someone wants to bring in the CPS caseworker or the child's attorney, who is Sally Justice, then the court will make its ruling at that time. But I need more information with regards to what is happening on the Child Protective Services and before I make a decision, because they are not close to reunification.
And just for the purposes of the record, Your Honor,
Mhm.
may I say, Mr. Marquez has completed the battery intervention program, and he has also completed the outpatient with lifetime recovery, and has also completed the Catholic Charities Supporting Dads Parenting program, both required for the CPS and I believe the original case. And we are just asking, just for the purpose of the record, that not that you make any amendments to their ability to see their children, but only that they're allowed to see each other.
No, I understand, counsel, but the questions that I need addressed, and this is just based upon the testimony that I received from your direct examination and the state's cross-examination. If, as they say, they are close to reunification, then based upon my experience, and if I'm wrong, bringing the case worker to let me know that I'm wrong. Based upon my experience, they start off with supervised visitation, and usually it's an hour, and usually it's once a month, unless the child is an infant. Then if you have a good attorney, you get visitation every week. And then what they do is they start increasing visitation to every week. And then they go to unsupervised visitation. Maybe you have weekends. And then they go to, we're going to let them spend like 3 days with them and see how that goes. And it appears that that hasn't happened yet. So if the CPS worker can come in and give me information, and what I'm seeking is, one, is Child Protective Services saying they need to be back together. They've done everything that they need to do. We have no concerns on our end for them being together, other children. Then I'll be able to make my ruling. If y'all want me to make a ruling now based upon the testimony I received, it's going to be denied. So I just need more information. If you want to call Miss Sally Justice, the attorney, and see if Attorney Justice can zoom in, I'll take, whatever information Attorney Justice wants to give me as an officer of the court.
We'll try and get in contact with Ms. Justice.
Sure. Would
Thank
you all like for me to call Miss Justice?
No objection to us calling Ms. Justice.
All right. So everyone, I'm going to put you in the waiting room. Just give me a moment, please.
Did the judge make the right call by delaying the decision? Or should the family's request have been approved immediately? Share your thoughts in the comments. We read them all. If you enjoy real courtroom moments, legal breakdowns, and the decisions that shape lives, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss the next powerful courtroom story.